My channel, and today in this video I would like to show you how to make a public Snapchat account. So let's begin our video. So first of all, you need to open your Snapchat application, then click on the top left corner your Bitmoji icon. Now click on the top right corner your settings here. Now scroll down and you can see there have a option who can section. So select at first contact me, then select everyone, then select send me notification. It's everyone, it's okay. Now select view my story, select it, then select everyone. Now see me in quick add, select it, then mark it, then let's back, and then see my location, select it, then enable it, then until turned off. That's it. And now your account is public. So guys, in this way you can make your Snapchat account public, and hope guys this video can help you. Don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.